Firefighter Aid Ukraine has been working for nearly a decade in Ukraine, providing personal protective equipment and specialized rescue tools to both the state emergency services and volunteer fire brigades here. I'm happy to be in Cherkasy along with the state emergency services of Ukraine, their demining teams, and key Rotarians to learn about the landmine crisis and how our organization can assist in their demining initiative by working with companies who have the products and the technologies, like Draganfly, to improve the safety and increase the effectiveness of their operations.
When we started the Mine-Free Ukraine initiative, we did it before the full-scale invasion, and at that time we had to demine 7,000 square kilometers of area in the Donbass. That sounded already like a total mission impossible. Today we have 140,000 square kilometers of potentially mined area. That is, I'm from Switzerland, that's 4 times Switzerland. So it becomes a total mission impossible. Agriculture is getting terrible hits. And for this, of course, modern technologies like drones and magnetometers are absolutely essential, because they do the work of tens of people 10 times faster. To give back land to the farmers that they can start to work again.
For last year we have very closely communication and collaboration with Emergency Service of Ukraine. And one of our main goals in this cooperation to provide new technologies for demining with using drones and other special technologies. Draganfly drone made our possibilities more widened to use new technology to make our lands free from mines more quick.
We learned about Draganfly drones and how their personnel have been actively working in Ukraine to apply their products and their technologies to save lives, and have been working with that company ever since. I'm honored that they've asked Firefighter Aid Ukraine to present a second situational awareness drone, the same drone presented to the state emergency services in another region of Ukraine that is currently being used in rescue and emergency operations.
Сьогодні вранці за рахунок підтримки Rotary клубу нам було передано безпілотний літальний апарат Draganfly. Такого в нас ще на озброєнні не було. Ми зараз почнемо його активно використовувати в протимінній програмі і в інших заходах по рятуванню людей і ліквідації наслідків ВНС.
I think both the state emergency services and Rotary share my excitement for the upcoming real-world demonstration and training Draganfly will be conducting in the very near future.
Звичайно, люба платформа коптерів потребує навчання фахівців, щоб вони поділилися своїм досвідом, а ми, можливо, наклали його на ті вимоги, які стоять перед нами. Безпілотні технології дуже важливі для наших саперних розрахунків, тому що вони дають можливість безконтактного роботи з вибухонебезпечними предметами і, як головне, збереження життя особового складу.
We would be very thankful if Draganfly could send us some experts also to show us the possibilities of your high-tech drones. For us to have high-tech drones like the drones that Draganfly is producing is absolutely key, because you have a fantastic reputation on the market, and I think Ukrainians can learn a lot from your technology.
It's Draganfly's mission to supply our knowledge and technology to all of the major organizations that stand to make the biggest impact on the landmine crisis. And so, in the coming weeks, Draganfly will be hosting a demonstration and training on the full suite of drone systems and sensors currently deployed with our partners in Ukraine, as we continue to assist in the fight for a mine-free Ukraine.